Hello, my name is Hiroya Tsukamoto, a guitarist and composer, and I'll be performing a show on Sunday, January 5th at 4 p.m. at Milford Arts Council. But prior to my performance, I'll be teaching an acoustic guitar workshop, sharing some guitar tips with you, with the local players. And please consider coming if you want to make your performance to the next level. And also, if you have any issues practicing, and if you feel like I've been playing a lot, but I'm not feeling like I'm improving. And what I share is basically what I've been practicing every day and how to practice more efficient ways. You know, lots of people play songs, and of course playing songs you like is your goal. It's great, but lots of people practice just songs they want to play, and that's fine. But if you change your angle a little bit and practice something simple, practice right hand, left hand, and you can build a solid foundation, because I believe that is very important. So that's I'd like to share with you. And please bring a guitar, and it's gonna be a small group, so we can do question and answer, and it's gonna be casual setting, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. And I hope you can learn something from the workshop. So when you go home, you can apply some of the ideas I'll be sharing. Thank you.